Birds are all around us, chirping from treetops, soaring through the skies, waddling on icy shores, or pecking in backyards. With over 10,000 known species, birds are one of the most diverse and captivating groups of animals on Earth. From tiny hummingbirds that hover like helicopters to flightless ostriches that sprint like athletes, birds are nothing short of incredible. Whether you're an avid birdwatcher or just curious about our feathered friends, here are 10 amazing facts about birds that will make you see them in a whole new light. 1. Birds are the last living dinosaurs. It might sound like science fiction, but it's true. Birds are the direct descendants of theropod dinosaurs, the same group that included the mighty T-Rex. Over millions of years, some small, feathered dinosaurs evolved flight and adapted into the wide variety of birds we know today. So when you look at a bird, you're not just seeing a modern animal, you're witnessing a living piece of prehistoric history. 2. Not all birds can fly, and some are fast runners. When most people think of birds, they think of flight. But not all birds take to the skies. Some, like the ostrich, emu, cassowary, and penguin, are flightless. Instead of wings for flying, these birds have adapted for running or swimming. The ostrich can run at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, faster than many land animals. Penguins fly through water using their flippers, diving with astonishing grace and speed. 3. Hummingbirds can hover and fly backwards. The hummingbird is one of the most agile flyers in the bird world. These tiny birds, some no bigger than a thumb, have unique ball and socket joints at the shoulder that allow their wings to rotate 180 degrees. As a result, hummingbirds can hover in midair like a helicopter, fly backwards, even fly upside down for short bursts. Plus, they beat their wings up to 80 times per second, creating that signature hum. 4. Birds have hollow bones, but that doesn't mean they're fragile. One of the most fascinating adaptations for flight is the lightweight skeletal structure of birds. Their bones are not only hollow but often reinforced with internal struts, like the inside of airplane wings. This design helps birds reduce weight for easier flight, maintain strength and stability, store extra oxygen in air sacs connected to their lungs. Despite being light, birds' bones are incredibly strong and optimized for flight efficiency. 5. Some birds migrate thousands of miles without rest. Migration is one of nature's great wonders, and birds are the champions of it. Each year, millions of birds travel long distances to find better feeding grounds or breeding areas. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration, flying up to 44,000 miles, 70,000 kilometers, round trip from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back. The bar-tailed godwit flies non-stop from Alaska to New Zealand, over 7,000 miles, 11,000 kilometers. Without taking a break, these incredible journeys push the limits of endurance and navigation, and scientists are still uncovering how birds manage such feats. 6. Birds have excellent vision. Some even see ultraviolet light. Birds often have exceptional eyesight, especially those that hunt from the air, like eagles and hawks. While humans have 3 types of cone cells in their eyes, for red, green, and blue, many birds have 4, allowing them to see ultraviolet, UV, light. This gives birds enhanced color perception, the ability to detect markings on feathers invisible to us. A way to spot urine trails of prey. In some species like kestrels, their eyesight isn't just sharp, it's superpowered. 7. Birds use songs and calls to communicate, and even mimic sounds. Birds don't just sing for fun, their vocalizations are a crucial part of communication. Songs are used to attract mates or mark territory, while calls help birds warn of danger, locate family, or express excitement. Some birds, like the lyrebird and African gray parrot, are incredible mimics. They can copy other birds, human speech, car alarms, chainsaws, camera shutters. In some cases, a lyrebird's song might sound like a forest symphony of modern noise. 8. The fastest animal on Earth is a bird. The title of fastest animal doesn't belong to the cheetah or dolphin, it goes to the peregrine falcon. During a hunting dive, called a stoop, this raptor can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a race car, and nearly 4 times faster than the fastest land mammal. These aerial acrobats are built for speed, with streamlined bodies and extraordinary control. 9. Some birds build elaborate nests. Even with decorations, birds are master architects. While many create simple nests from twigs and grass, some species take construction to the next level. The bowerbird, found in Australia and New Guinea, builds decorative structures, called bowers, not to lay eggs, but to attract mates. Males collect colorful objects, flowers, berries, bottle caps, and even plastic bits, to impress females with their artistic flair. Talk about avian interior design. 10. Birds have been kept as pets for thousands of years. Humans have shared a close relationship with birds for millennia. Ancient Egyptians kept ibises and doves, while parrots were prized in Roman and Chinese cultures for their vibrant colors and talking abilities. Even today, birds like budgerigars, budgies, cockatiels, canaries, and macaws are beloved pets, known for their intelligence, companionship, and songs. Birds aren't just wild wonders, they're cherished members of many households around the world. Final thoughts. Birds are more than just beaks and feathers, from sky-splitting speeds to melodic songs, from prehistoric origins to incredible migrations. Birds are some of the most extraordinary creatures on our planet. Their adaptations for flight, communication, and survival make them one of nature's greatest success stories. So next time you see a bird perched on a fence or soaring overhead, take a moment to appreciate the amazing biology and behavior hidden beneath those beautiful feathers. Birds aren't just fascinating, they're full of surprises.